Chapter.
Our project was completed as part of the Technology Tools for Learning class at Tufts University. Our assignment was to create a curriculum to teach KIBO to kindergarten students at the Boston Jewish Community Day School, where we encountered a bunch of energetic, smart kindergartners. During our sessions with them, we tried to teach them the value of individual and cooperative work, and inspire them to be artists and engineers. We visited the kindergarten classroom twice.
On our first day at the school, we realized that the students did not have much exposure to KIBO. However, many of the students in our group were familiar with engineering and building concepts as they told us their parents were engineers. We started off with a little discussion about engineering and designing programs. Afterwards, we introduced the kids to KIBO and encouraged an exploratory type of learning with the robotics kits. By the end of this session, our students made characters and programmed them to do something. They also decorated them. For example, one of our students made a soccer player.
On our second day at the school, we delved into a more structured curriculum as the kids now had an idea of how to use KIBO. Our theme for this curriculum was story ideation and working together collaboratively to build a story. We started off with the kids talking about characters they wanted to make. They created the Flash, a basketball player, a bunny, and a dog. We then encouraged them to create a story that integrated all of the characters, and they created a story about these characters in a park. After programming their characters' actions in the story, the kids decorated their KIBOs. They were excited to present their project to the entire class.
After spending the semester discussing KIBO and how it can be employed in the classroom, it was great having the opportunity to spend 2 days at JCDS. I found that even though the majority of the kids had never played with KIBO, everyone picked it up very quickly. What surprised me the most were the differences in which aspects of KIBO the kids would be interested in. Some were fixated in the creation of algorithms, while others were simply more interested in decorating it. This exercise proves that KIBO is a useful tool for kids to explore their world using their imagination while employing the principles of computational communication.
This was an exciting project that showed us how best to instruct students how to use KIBO on an essential level, as well as how to encourage them to apply their newfound skill to make stories. Once the students knew how to use KIBO, they used it as a tool to express their ideas and engage with each other. We saw the students learn how to best express their unique individual abilities and how to work together to make their story come to life.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
After our experience with KIBO and the children at JCDS, we have come to believe that KIBO stands for Kids Innovating Beyond the Ordinary.
Oh, nice. The yellow tape, because it will go really well with the red shirt. And then I got your